Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase power in Shadowhunter Lost World. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically we want to go ahead and focus on gear and full sets. So equipping a complete armor set, so weapon plus helm, chest, arms, feet, ring, amulet unlocks powerful set bonuses. Now also prioritizing upgrading your weapon ATK early on rather than only HP defense. Now the next thing we can do is upgrade, ascend and evolve gear. So level up gear with basic materials, use awakening or similar systems to unlock a substack on gear every certain levels, and also combine evolve duplicate gear to reach higher rarities and power levels. Also use fusion mechanics or similar if available to combine duplicates. Now as we reach ancient high tier weapon and equipment, so when you hit mid to late game, high tier items or gear, legendary, mythic, ultimate and special weapons make a big difference. So you need at least 45k diamonds unless you're lucky to get an ancient weapon. Even though this may require grinding or spending, you typically need such gear to push power numbers much higher than that.